Bye.
Come here.
Bye.
Your hair is hit. I don't like that shampoo.
Yes.
Don't say that.
Yes.
Erase that, but you can show Mommy the puppet show with Queenie. Okay? Please erase that. You know what? Well,
Bye. Bye.
don't keep saying bad stuff like that.
Bye.
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 Bye. Erase it. Thank you. Bye, pee in the grass.
Sad.
Bye, saying it. Thank you. Willie, she's not going to like that.
Yes.
No, she's not.
Yes. Yes.
No, she's not.
Yes.
She's not going to like that. She's going to be angry.
Yes.
You do not want to go home with Mad Mommy. So do not do that.
Yes.
All right. Then leave it on there. Let Ma see it then.
No.
All right. Well, then you better erase it before you get to the shop. You're just making yourself
I
get in
erased
trouble.
2.
Erase 2 of them. Thank you. Good job, buddy.
Bye. I erased 2.
Bye, erase 2. Erasing 2. Now let's see Queen talking. I love that. You're supposed to erase that.
Yes.
Please erase it. Well. Okay. What are you eyeballing me for? Oh, they got garbage jump. Look, they got a new yellow fence up.
Phone.
What about the phone, Will?
Yes.
Don't worry about the phone, honey.
Text. Phone.
I'm not texting. I don't think there's going to be many dogs out walking because it's raining, dude.
Ghost.
Just like earlier, there was no dogs walking because it was raining,
Ghost.
raining. What?
Ghost. Sidewalk. Ghost.
Well, some of the sidewalks are closed because the rain, they're wet. Is there a problem with that?
Ghost.
Yes, the sidewalks, it's been closed all day for people who can't walk on it.
Sign.
Yes.
Sign.
The sign will say sidewalk closed probably until July. That's my best bet.
Ghost.
Yeah, they're closed. Well, stop, Willie. You know what? You caused me to get into a wreck. Stop that!